In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Crimson Desert game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to change the audio or dialogue language, then simply pause your game, go into Others, and then click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, you will find the Language and Audio tab. Once you click on it, you can find both your game language and the voice language option. The first option is to change the text elements within your game. So if you mess this up, your game might appear in a different language. So go into the second option where you see the voice language setting. You can choose between the various languages available within the game. So simply use the left and right arrows to highlight your desired language. Once you have found or chosen your language, click on the Apply button and then apply your changes. After this, you can go back into your game and continue to play using your chosen audio language. And if you wish to change this in the future at any point of time, just follow the same steps. Pause the game, and from the Other page, go into Settings, and now you may choose your desired language once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the voice language within your game on Crimson Desert. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.